Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Venar Chain. Ticker symbol for this coin is Vanry, V-A-N-R-Y. And this coin just got a brand new central exchange listing on December 14th. We're going to go over the information on the Venar Chain and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin here. So the groundbreaking blockchain Vanar offers a carbon-neutral, high-speed, and low-cost L1 chain designed for entertainment and mainstream. You can find their Twitter right here at Vanarchain, blue verified checkmark, almost 100 tweets, and they have 32,300 Twitter followers. And they just got listed December 14th on a central exchange called Lbank. So if you're looking to get the Vanry coin and you don't have an Lbank account, all you would have to do is download Lbank from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search VANRY, and then simply just buy the coin. It is that easy. So if you want to find more information on this project, you can head over to their webpage, which is right on their Twitter right here. It is at Vanarchain.com, real easy to find. So Vanar is Web3 for billions of entertainment consumers, the zero-fee lightning-fast chain with mainstream adoption in its DNA. They have a very cool webpage. So it says you can unleash games, unlock new economies, and scale your game into Web3. You can also mix realities. So there's virtual reality, augmented reality, ready for engagement and gaming in the metaverse. They also have expanding your brand. Speak to new audiences in new ways. Engage and expand on what your brand means to people. So their webpage has different sections here. So the first one is Vanar for brands. And it says consumer ready, developer friendly, trusted by brands. So Vanar offers a suite of solutions for brands built on years of experience, from new engagement experiences to artificial intelligence driven IP tracking. Vanar provides modules that can create compelling customer journeys. These cutting edge technologies help brands stay ahead of the competition. It says, learn how Vanar can help your brand create unique experiences that keep customers coming back. Then they have Vanar for games. Unlock limitless gaming with Vanar, zero friction, low cost transactions, an all-in-one solution. From marketplaces to metaverses, we empower creators with cutting-edge AI analytics, simply and powerfully. Learn more about how Vanar can change the game for you. And they also have Vanar for retail. Introducing your customer base to the exciting world of Web3 has never been easier. With Vanar's Shopify integrations, metaverse, marketplaces, and authentication tools, retailers can seamlessly transition into Web3 economies, unlocking new marketing and revenue opportunities. Learn more about how Vanar can help unlock new opportunities for you. And lastly here, they have Vanar for artificial intelligence. Elevate your next-gen dApps with our revolutionary AI service. Powered by advanced machine learning and blockchain, we offer unmatched security and speed. Learn more about how you can transform industries, disrupt the status quo, and unleash the future of Vanar today. And there's actually more here. It says Vanar for mixed reality. So take advantage of the latest VR and AR, virtual reality and augmented reality, and artificial intelligence technologies, including MetaQuest, Apple Vision, and PC headsets with Vanar. Developers who want to be at the forefront of the metaverse revolution can now unleash their creativity with our modules, which support metaverse 3D spaces across multiple platforms. The mainstream experience. Now you can check out different news articles that have been posted here, or I guess maybe this could be partners as well, like Binance, Authentic Brands Group, Indian Super League they talk about, Coinbase. I guess these are all their partners. Explore the Vanar ecosystem. Welcome to a world of seamless integration. Unlock all the value that Web 3 can bring to your game, brand, store, and more without friction. So the Vanar blockchain, Vanar has been designed from the ground up to make sense for real-world adoption. Based on years of experience working with games, entertainment, and brands, our technology approach is focused on bringing the next 3 billion customers to Web 3. So on their Twitter here, they have a pinned tweet, and it says, Vanar for billions of entertainment consumers. So this is what the main things that they advertise here. So Ethereum virtual machine layer 1 built for Fortune 500 companies. Global validators with $1 trillion market cap. Zero cost instant transactions. Core apps at day 1. New cutting edge L1 business model. And multiple IP with billions of fans at launch. And if you want to follow this Twitter here, they do have weekly updates where they talk about what they've done in the past week with a little weekly recap. And they talk about new exchange listings, stuff like that. So it's a good idea to stay up to date on the Twitter here if you want to learn about what's going on. And their most recent one, of course, is this new Lbank listing. So you can find this coin newly listed on Lbank. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this coin? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there and check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.